Accounting and finance is the heartbeat of any business. So why don't all your department's systems and processes help it beat stronger? We designed UniFi to replace your multiple third-party business systems that connect to your finance or ERP systems. UniFi includes multiple features, so you can automate your business and financial processes, improve reporting, reduce costs, and keep all your data in one place. From the comfort of one platform, you can utilize no-code and low-code builders, business intelligence, AI, machine learning, robotic process automation, middleware and integration, and a first-of-its-kind accounting automation engine. It seamlessly integrates with any finance or ERP system, effectively replacing all connected applications and processes. The software can be customized for any requirement, and is end-user configurable, which means everyone in your organization can easily utilize the system, and ensure the system adapts to your changes without incurring excessive consulting costs. Users of UniFi have automated and improved processes such as procure to pay, order to cash, financial accounting, enterprise asset management, compliance, reporting, human resources, and much more. Every use case can connect to your finance or ERP systems to retrieve data from a single source of truth. UniFi can then perform any process or workflow, and then automatically generate journals to post into your finance or ERP systems, thus automating your accounting processes. This is a huge time saver, as every department in your organization has daily activity that impacts what should be posted to your accounting software. This normally happens manually, or a mix of patchy automation, out-of-time labor-intensive batch processes and manual intervention. With UniFi you can automate the full process. Here are a few ways organizations have benefited from UniFi. One organization achieved 100% accounting automation in Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM. This has enabled the automatic generation of sales invoices, credit notes, revenue release, revenue recognition, bank receipts and refunds. This has saved them 3,600 hours of manual processing per annum. In our second example, an organization automated 250,000 monthly invoices, thanks to UniFi middleware and integration to NetSuite. This process has gone from 2 days per month with human error, to full automation with 0 errors. Another client saved 3 days per month across the organization, thanks to expense management automation. In our final example, our client seamlessly integrated to Infor Sun systems. UniFi enabled the automation of exchange rates data, the purchase invoice process, tax payment runs and supplier onboarding, saving them 40% of their overall processing time. Additionally, the company's financial close was reduced by 4 days per quarter, which enabled more timely and accurate decision-making. All of these time savings add up across an organization, equaling better efficiency, cost savings and less errors. Do you want to find out how UniFi can help automate and streamline your processes? Book your free demo today, and join the 15,000 users that are reaping the benefits of UniFi.